Hello, everybody. Good morning. Amazing stuff. Wow. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. If you can hear me very well, I want you to drop a comment real quick. Let me know where you are connecting from quickly. Let me know where you are connecting from quickly. Let me know where you are connecting from quickly. Let me know where are you connecting from. I am in Lagos, Nigeria, specifically. So where are you? Let me know quickly. Let me know where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you connecting from? Where are you connecting from? Where are you connecting from? Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. So while we wait on that, let's go ahead and quickly let me tell you what I'm looking out for in the market. Let me quickly tell you what I'm looking out for in the market. Yeah. So can you still hear me? I think I think the network is I think the network is not
Can
good.
you still hear me?
Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead and explain. All right. I'll explain all over again from the beginning. So pick a fresh chart and on the 4-hour chart. No, let's even go to the daily. And for this sell signal that we are looking out for today, I'll tell you what I'm looking out for this week, and I'll tell you what I'm looking out for today. For this sell signal, my confidence is the previous height, the previous daily high. I don't know why this laptop is staggering. It doesn't used to do this, so it doesn't used to do this. Um, it doesn't used to do this. So I don't know why it's lagging. Okay, I think it's better now. I think it's better. I think it's better. So look at this. I said that. No, I don't. Okay, okay, it's better now. Why is it lagging? I think I'll fix that after now. But for now, let's just focus on getting this done. I'll fix it after now. For now, my focus is on how we can get this done. All right. So on the daily, this height above was where market got to before we saw this massive drop. All right. So you know we saw a massive drop, and the massive drop broke below this major support level and this major support level. All right. So since these two major support levels were broken, it means that we're going to see further drops, further sales. Hence why I said this week I will share with you my bias. My bias for the week is sales. Are we going to see buy opportunities? Yes. Are we going to bank on those alone? No. On the 4 hour chart, come to the 4 hour. You see something very interesting. At midnight, when price got to that level on the daily charts, that our daily resistance. Sorry, when price got to when price got to our daily resistance, we saw the price fell. So now we're expecting. I remember that before that daily resistance, we had a zone on the 4 hour where we saw a massive drop also, which is this zone, which is what, which is this zone here. All right. So this zone right here, we're expecting price to react off of. All right. And now down to the 1 hour chart. If price makes its way back into that zone, because at midnight it got there, price makes its way back into that zone, we're expecting that a massive rejection should occur. Because in that zone, from here up till the daily zone we marked out, every time price came there, we saw a massive pullback. And now we're expecting to see M pattern on the 1 hour, M being formed for our massive sell. Are you with me? On 15 minutes chart where I take my entry, we did not see weak rejection anywhere. So we know that price will come and do weak rejections, which it has started doing now. Do you understand? Because we didn't see weak rejection earlier. So we know that price must come and do the weak rejection that we did not see it do earlier. Are you with me? Price must come and do the weak rejection that we did not see it do earlier. Hence why we know that when price comes into that zone, we're going to have weak rejections, then we're going to have a massive sell. We're going to have weak rejections and the massive sell. That sell is going to break below these major resistance and these major levels. It's definitely going to break below it. But now here's the question. Coach, where do I set my stop loss? Because we don't have any zone very recently that we can bank on. So for that, I deliberately use 20 pips SL. 20 pips SL so that number one, I can give my trade a little breathing space, just some breathing space. So when it comes into that zone, price might want to come and clear out Asian highs. London session usually hunts Asian highs and Asian lows. So price might first come and clear Asian highs, then go ahead to come and clear it because this low must be cleared. Must be cleared. Don't think of it. It must be cleared, right? So price will first come and clear Asian highs, and that's where we now see the big projection. But we don't expect it to tarry long in this zone. Hence why we are using 20 pips SL. If I see some rejection, if I see some reactions that I'm not happy with, I might probably tell us that we should look for a position to resell if it hits SL. But we don't expect it to hit SL because this zone, to me, is the most comfortable zone we can stay in for our M pattern to be formed on the hourly chart before we go ahead and see massive drop. If you understand what I just said now, drop of 777 in the chart. If you don't understand, drop of 555. Do it quickly. But while we wait for them to do that, so today we know that we're going to see sell, then some rejections, obviously, further sales, rejections. When price comes into the zone, price might buy for a while, then further sales. Why? Because why must he have further sales? Because there's liquidity already here. Double bottoms indicate liquidity, double tops also indicate liquidity. Um, I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Okay, I see everybody understand. Amazing. I see 777. Can I explain the entry? So we are going to enter. Um, our entry is the 4-hour resistance, which is here, and the daily resistance, which is this orange line. So anywhere inside that zone, we are going to enter our sell. So that's what I mean by we're looking for possible sell in that zone. In that zone, possible sell in that zone. So let me go ahead and share. That's what I have here. And let me go ahead and share it with the Telegram. Alright, I've sent it and I've sent the analysis. Is it 100%? No. Why? Today is Monday, but I'm very sure of this. But because today is Monday, I expect the market might have some funny reactions. I know I'm very sure of it. The market might have some funny reactions. Hence why I will not be aggressive on it. I believe you understand. Any question? So I just shared with you my outlook for the week. Um, so it's going to be further sales for the week. Further sales. Let's take a look at DXY for a moment. Sorry. What's going on? What's going on? I was not coughing yesterday. DXY we see it's currently still selling, but with what I'm saying, we should have some good buys. Price broke above this resistance level, came back inside to retest this other block. It's forming a W pattern. So we should see some buys, yeah, at least to this zone, at least to this zone. Because this liquidity already equal highs. So at least to this zone, we should see some buys. And buying to this zone will mean that our G will sell crazy. Okay, I see. DXY is it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad. So now, since we have sorted that out, I want to quickly explain something. I want to quickly explain something. Since we have sorted out what we are looking out for the week, I want to quickly explain the exact method of success that I have been doing and has helped me. I promise it's going to help you. I can promise you that it's definitely going to help you. I can promise you that it's going to help you. The exact method of success. So for a moment, let me stop sharing my screen. All right, so um, let me explain how you can achieve success in this current day and age through Forex. So I know it's very difficult, especially to stay proper risk management. Very difficult also to stay committed to a mentor. Yeah, especially when the mentor takes a break or something. Because I took a break for about a month. I didn't trade nothing. I didn't do nothing. Which the break was very important and healthy to me. All right. Yeah, I did. But a couple of people, a couple of you, just opted out from your commitment. And now the thing is, how you stay focused, committed, and produce results. I'll tell you three steps only. And after those three steps, if you use them and you don't achieve success, you can go ahead and tell everybody that David is a liar, David is fake. If you follow through my instructions, 100%, you don't achieve success. I can take responsibility for whatever happens. Yeah. So how do you achieve success? First is you have a strategy and a mentor that works. A mentor that works and a strategy that works. Pick that as number one. Number two, important, is you have large equity. And how do you get large equity? Prop firms. Buy a lot of prop firm accounts. If you want to make $1 million actual money, buy $1 million worth prop firm. Yeah. In 10 months of 10%, you'll achieve $1 million. There's no way you fail all 10 prop firm. If you buy 10, you can fail 5 or 6, but the ones you pass would help you out. That's instruction number two. Then the last is master your psychology. Master your psychology. Don't be greedy. Have proper risk management. Be patient. I tell you for a fact, if you do these things I just told you, there is no way on earth that you're not going to achieve success. There is no way. There's no way. There's no way you will not be successful. I can assure you that. There is no way you will not be successful if you follow through everything I just told you to do. There is no way you're not going to be successful. There is no way on earth. First, get a working mentor and a strategy. So when you get a mentor, follow his strategy. One, not two, one mentor. Number two is get pro-firm accounts, large equity. When you make a profit, transfer to your normal account or transfer to go and buy a land or buy houses. Don't go and be buying cars, buying new phone now. No, I have the money to buy the phone I want to buy. But I've been using this iPhone 11 now for a while. I think when it came out or so, I've not bought a new one. It's not like I'm not flashy. If I want to buy a new one, I would go ahead and buy it. But I just don't. I don't yet want to. Maybe I should put it that way. He said I'll buy lands. He said I'll buy houses. Yeah, yeah. Maybe when I start moving around the lot, I can now buy a car. Maybe. Yeah, I'm being transparent with you here. Maybe when I start moving out the whole lot, I move out to from Monday to Fridays. I try to be within the comfort of my home so I can work and do all my meetings online. Saturday and Sunday I move, so I can always use Uber for those. Yeah, I tell you for a fact. Do you understand? So be conservative with your spending. When you make your money from proprietary firms, go ahead and buy something that would appreciate. Do you understand? That's instruction two. Instruction three is to master your psychology. If you master your psychology with these three things I just told you, a mentor and a working strategy, large equity, and mastering your psychology, you are good to go. Give yourself 6 months, 3 to 6 months. If you don't make the money that you have never thought of, let me take responsibility for that. There is no way that you will not be successful. There is no way. I tell you for a fact, there's no way you will not make a lot of money. I've done it. That's what I'm still doing. I have a goal this year, and I'm buying prop firms worth that amount of my goal. If my goal is to make 10 million, I'm buying prop firms worth $10 million. My goal is to make 5 million. I'm buying prop firms worth $5 million. So I'm not telling you this like I've achieved and arrived. No, I'm still in the process, but that's how I went ahead to make it. And you can follow that route too. It is assured and guaranteed to give you success. Assured and guaranteed, assured and guaranteed, again assured and guaranteed to give you success. So any question before we call it a day? That's all from me today. Any question before we call it a day? Any question before we call it a day? Any question before we call it a day? In absence of that, just watch out for GBP USD. We're going to see massive sale. But let price come into our zone properly. There are other zones that price might move from, but I'm more comfortable with the higher zone. There are other zones that price might move from, but I'm more comfortable with the higher zone. All right, look at my papa game market. So if the market does not pay me today, I'm not going to be hot. I'm not going to be offended. Yeah. How many weak rejections? 1 or 2 weak rejections. Me, I prefer 2 weak rejections, then 3, 4. They're all advantage and added advantages. But I prefer at least let me see 1 or 2 major. If I see one major weak rejection or 2 minor weak rejections, I'm good to go. Do you need to see rejections before entering? Yes, you need to see the rejections before you enter the trade. Don't jump into the trade. Consistency in trading is real, something that can be of concern when you are not constantly profitable. Yeah, I see. I like that. I like that comment. Trade mind. I like that comment. All right, that'll be all from me today. Um, See you at the top, not from the top, because you know what he said. The bottom is way too crowded. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.